A high-quality blender is essential for creating smoothies, soups, sauces, and more with ease and precision. Its powerful motor and versatile settings allow you to achieve the perfect texture and consistency for a variety of recipes. Investing in the best blender enhances your culinary creativity and saves time in the kitchen. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 blenders that you need for efficient and versatile meal preparation. So let's find your perfect match. Number 5. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender. This blender is a robust, versatile appliance designed to tackle a wide range of blending tasks. Equipped with a 2-horsepower motor, this blender effortlessly powers through tough ingredients, from frozen fruits to hard cheeses. It features 10 variable speed settings and a pulse switch, giving you complete control over the blending process. The 48-ounce container is perfectly sized for small to medium batches, making it ideal for daily use or small families. While it lacks presets or digital timers, the Explorian ensures consistent results. It delivers velvety green smoothies, creamy nut butter, and perfectly blended margaritas. The included mini tamper helps push thicker ingredients toward the blades, ensuring uniform blending even for dense mixtures like fruit and oat smoothies. When it comes to pureeing, this blender excels at creating silky soups and creamy nut butter, although a bit of manual effort is required. For grinding, the Explorian transforms popcorn into fine cornmeal, crystal sugar into powdered sugar, and hard cheeses like Parmesan into a fine consistency with its durable stainless steel blades are engineered to withstand frequent use, delivering professional-grade results every time. Cleaning the Explorian is straightforward. Simply add warm water and dish soap, then run it at a low to medium speed. The compact design ensures it doesn't take up much counter space, and the angled placement over the base allows for efficient drying. While it requires a more hands-on approach than premium models, the Vitamix Explorian E310 offers exceptional performance at a mid-range price point, making it a fantastic choice for those seeking high-quality blending on a budget. To make this powerful blender yours, check out the link in the description. Number 4. Cuisinart Hurricane Pro Blender. This blender is a top-tier blender designed to deliver exceptional performance and versatility in any kitchen. This powerhouse features a 2.4 peak horsepower motor, making it capable of handling a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're creating silky smooth smoothies, crushing ice, pureeing soups, or grinding hard foods like almonds and Parmesan cheese, the Hurricane Pro rises to the challenge. Its 8-cup capacity pitcher is large enough for family-sized recipes, and the leak-proof design ensures mess-free blending. The blender includes multiple preset programs like Smoothie, Soup, Ice Crush, and Clean, along with digital controls for easy operation. For those who prefer precision, the adjustable speed settings and timer give you complete control over your blending tasks. The pitcher, blades, and lid are all dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and convenient cleanup. When it comes to performance, the Hurricane Pro excels across the board. It delivers finely blended smoothies, including thick fruit and oat mixtures, and crushes ice effortlessly without needing a pulse. For pureeing, it produces creamy soups and even heats them to a serving-ready temperature. It also shines in grinding, transforming popcorn into fine cornmeal and grating Parmesan cheese to restaurant-quality fineness. Despite its robust capabilities, the Hurricane Pro operates quietly, measuring just 83.5 decibels, and its durable construction promises longevity. While it showed slight wear after intensive use, this is unlikely to affect everyday blending tasks. If you're looking for a high-performance blender that combines versatility, ease of use, and professional-grade results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 3. KitchenAid K400 Blend. This blender offers a perfect balance of performance, style, and functionality, making it an exceptional choice for any kitchen. With a robust die-cast metal base, this blender provides durability and stability, even when operating at full speed. Its compact size, measuring 7.6 by 9 by 15.8 inches, fits comfortably on countertops, while the premium design and 7 color options blend seamlessly with any kitchen aesthetic. Equipped with a 3-part blending system, the K400 combines a ribbed jug design, an asymmetric blade, and IntelliSpeed motor control to ensure consistent and efficient blending. The 5 variable speeds and 3 preset programs, Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie, allow versatile use, while the pulse function adds precision. The blender also features a self-clean program for quick and effortless maintenance. The 56-ounce BPA-free plastic jug in the US and Australia, or the glass version available in the UK, is dishwasher safe and designed to prevent leaks. The ergonomic handle accommodates left or right-handed users for convenience. Performance-wise, the KitchenAid K400 excels at making silky smooth smoothies, crushing ice evenly, and emulsifying sauces like mayonnaise. While it struggled slightly with evenly chopping nuts, its results in all other areas are remarkable. Its noise level, averaging 84 dB, is standard for blenders, and its removable central cap simplifies adding ingredients mid-blend. The KitchenAid K400 is ideal for anyone seeking a sturdy, well-built blender with excellent functionality. Its minimalist accessory package avoids clutter, and optional personal blending cups are available for added convenience. If you're looking for a reliable blender that blends style and performance, check the link in the description to purchase the KitchenAid K400 blender today. Number 2. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. This blender combines power, precision, and versatility, making it a standout choice for both everyday and professional use. Its 2.2 peak horsepower motor propels blades to speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, ensuring silky soups, smooth purees, finely ground grains, and perfectly blended smoothies. The blender's 64-ounce BPA-free trite and copolyester jar accommodates large batches of milkshakes, soups, or smoothies, yet its compact design tucks neatly under standard kitchen cabinets. For pre-programmed settings, soup, smoothie, puree, and ice crush, deliver hands-free convenience for common tasks, while the infinitely variable speed dial and pulse option provide total control for personalized results. Whether you're making a creamy dip, crushing cocktail-worthy ice, or emulsifying dressings with the included emulsion cup, this blender adapts effortlessly to your culinary needs. Constructed with stainless steel blades and a durable stainless steel housing, the Wolf Gourmet blender is built to last. Its noise-dampening motor design reduces harsh blending sounds, allowing conversation to flow freely in the kitchen. Convenience is paramount, with a dishwasher-safe lid, tamper, emulsion cup, and filler cup, as well as a removable jar pad for quick and easy cleaning. Accessories like the tamper and filler cap with measurement marks enhance functionality, making it simple to create thick, frozen, or precisely measured blends. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty and Wolf Gourmet's dedicated customer support, this blender offers reliable, high-performance blending for years to come. From silky soups to cocktail-worthy crushed ice, the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender ensures a professional touch for every dish. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game, check the link in the description to purchase the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender today. Number 1. Breville Super Q Blender. This blender is the ultimate choice for those seeking a high-performance, versatile kitchen appliance. Equipped with a 68-ounce blender jug and a 24-ounce personal blender cup, this blender is perfect for family-sized servings or smoothies on the go. Its 1800-watt motor powers serrated blades, making tasks like crushing ice, blending smoothies, or creating creamy nut butter effortless. With 5 preset modes, green smoothie, soup, ice crush, and frozen dessert, the Super Q takes the guesswork out of blending, ensuring consistent results every time. The 12 speed settings and intuitive controls are complemented by a digital timer and a compact design with an 85 square inch footprint that fits neatly on most countertops. The Super Q's auto-clean function and dishwasher-safe parts simplify maintenance, saving you time in the kitchen. This blender excels at diverse tasks. It turns ice into fluffy snow-like consistency, mills fine flour, purees soups to a velvety texture, and even grinds hard cheese into restaurant-quality results. The tamper and spatula make blending thick mixtures like nut butter seamless. The frozen dessert preset ensures smooth margaritas or creamy frozen treats without large chunks of ice. Breville's thoughtful design includes clearly labeled buttons, a clean layout, and a sturdy lid to prevent spills. While its noise suppression technology isn't as quiet as advertised, it performs on par with other professional-grade blenders. The Super Q is a powerhouse blender for smoothie enthusiasts, home chefs, and bakers. Whether you need fluffy powdered sugar, creamy soups, or consistent green smoothies, this blender handles it all with ease. If you're ready to upgrade to a versatile and high-performing blender, check the link in the description to buy the Breville Super Q today. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Let us know which product review you'd like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.